Today I'm helping a friend move to his new apartment, so I thought I'd make a video to show what you could get in Da Nang for a little bit less money. As you may recall, my apartment costs $500 a month, and it's one bedroom, fairly open concept one bedroom apartment. And this apartment is 9 million Vietnamese dong, which is about 380 US dollars. So let's go in and take a look. This is a studio layout, but it's fairly large. I think it's probably around 35 square meters. And it's got a little sitting area over there in the corner. It's got a large bed. The beds here, typically you'll get a bed that's a what we call a California king back in the US. 180 centimeters wide. So it's quite a big bed. Beds are a little bit firm here, and I can test this one, and yeah, it is. It's a little bit firm. But this is a really nicely done unit with all integrated woodwork and paneling. And then there used to be another bed here because this is a condo hotel, and they're rented out on a medium-term basis to tourists. So people will bring their families, or a couple couples will come in and rent the place for a week, and or some friends will come in and rent it together. So there's two beds. There's one here and there's one there. But my friend had them take that bed out, and he moved the sofa over, and he's probably going to angle it a little bit so you can watch the TV from there. And then over here we've got some shelving and window. He'll probably put a fan there by the window. And there's great views in this place. This is on the 7th floor, so you can see all of Santra Peninsula out there. You can actually see to the ocean out this direction. And then there's two windows, and down here you can see some of the rooftops of the local homes and apartment buildings. But back inside the unit, looking around, it's quite large, quite spacious. There's the typical split type aircon there, a nice ceiling light, and there's a big desk. It's really set up as a makeup desk for a woman, but he may move that desk over by this window behind me and have a nice little office space with some light in it. Then he's got a very nice kitchen. And what I like about this unit that mine doesn't have is it has a dual stovetop, which is kind of rare here. You usually get one stovetop, but he can cook both pasta and the sauce here at the cooktop, so if he so chooses. And around here you've got the dining area and another window, and then a fairly good sized TV right here. So this is a really great unit. Now it also has a laundry and a bathroom. The laundry unit right here, a lot of storage space, and then it's got a bathroom going in here. And I believe the electric's not even on yet, so I'm going to flip that on. There we go. Electric is now on. That's how new it is here. So it's got a nice shower stall. There's a window here. That's really nice because that window will allow some cross breeze through the apartment if you open the other windows out in the main area. And it's brand new. It's absolutely a brand new building. $380 a month. Included internet and cable. And the internet is, we tested it, it was running around 40 to 50 megabits per second download and likewise upload. So this is a really nice unit for a really great price. It's brand new. It's really well located. I'll show you the outdoors right after I'm done videoing here. So let's go take a look outdoors and see the neighborhood and the parking for bikes. There's parking for probably about 15 or 20 bikes out here. They carry everything on a bike here in Vietnam. And there's parking on both sides. The property is very open. A lot of properties here are this way. Absolutely wide open to the lobby, and then you go in and go up the stairs to your individual apartments. But this is nice because they've covered the parking here with a retractable tarp. At night they have gates that close, and they also have a guard at night. Thanks for watching, and to keep up to date with this channel, please subscribe.